Another 30-something birthday with a group of unmarried female friends. We would have preferred a nice celebratory conference call. Martin!
And you were saying?
Look, you're a successful saleswoman in the city. You have two choices. You can bang your hands against the wall and try to find a relationship, or you can say screw him and just go out and sex like a man.
You mean with dildos?
No, I'm without feelings.
Samantha Jones was a New York inspiration, a PR executive. She routinely slept with good-looking guys in their 20s.
Remember that guy I was going out with? Oh my god, what was his name? Drew?
Drew, the sex guy?
Right. Well, after that, I didn't feel a thing. It was like, hi babe, gotta go, catch you later. And I completely forgot all about him.
But are you sure it wasn't because he didn't call you?
Sweetheart, this is the first time in the history that women have had so much money and power as men. Plus, sweetheart, this is the first time in the history that women have had so much money and power. Plus, okay. Sweetheart, this is the first time in the history in Manhattan that women have so much money and power as men. Plus, the equal luxury of treating men like sex objects.
Yeah, except of men in... except men in this city fail in both counts. I mean, they don't want to be in a relationship with you, but as soon you only want them for sex, they don't like it. All of a sudden, they can't perform as they're supposed to.
That's when you dump them.
Hey, Jose, jeg skulle sige jo. Come on, ladies. Are we really so cynical? What about romance?
Skal vi sige det sådan?
Who needs it?
Yeah.
It's like that guy, Jamaro, the poet. I mean, the sex was incredible, but then he wanted me to read his poetry and go out to dinner, and the whole chat bit me, and I not even go there.
What are you saying? Are you saying you're just going to give up on love?
No.
Ej, der skulle du have været med, ikke også?
Nå ja.
No.
That's just sick.
You believe me. The right guy comes along, and you two right here. The whole thing, right out the window.
That's right.
No. Listen to me. The right guy is a illusion. You don't understand that you can't start living your life.
So you think it's really possible? So you really think it's possible to pull off the thing like having sex like a man thing?
You're forgetting one thing. The Last Seduction.
You're upset with that movie.
Okay, Linda Valentino. Like fucking that guy up. Hvad fanden? Okay, Linda Valentino. Fucking that guy up. The changing fence.
And never have one of those. Oh my god. What have I done? Epiphanies.
I hated that movie.
Was it true were women in New York? Was it true were women in New York really giving up on love and throttling up on power?
What a tempting thought.